Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, CD changer, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, aluminum wheels. Come see the car for yourself.